Question 16. The mass m of a box with a square base in grams is directly proportional to the area of its base in centimeters squared. A box with a square base of side length 5 centimeters has a mass of 500 grams. What is the mass of a similar box with a square base of side length 3 centimeters? So they're saying that the mass is directly proportional. So the formula for directly proportional is y equals kx. So basically we've got to substitute the mass and the area of the base into y and x, and then k is like just an unknown number. It's just a number, there's nothing fancy to it. So mass times k times the side, right, to get the area of the base. So in the example where they've given a box with a side length of 5 centimeters and mass of 500 grams, that means 500 equals k times 5 times 5. And 500 equals k times, and 5 times 5 equals 25. And to get k on its own, we will divide both sides by 25. And on this side they will cancel out because 25 over 25 equals 1. And so 500 over 25 equals 20, and that's what k equals. So now they're saying what's the mass of a similar box that has side length of 3 centimeters. So the mass is unknown for this, right? That's what we're trying to find. Mass equals, now we know our k now, that's 20. And we want to multiply by the area of the base, which is side by side. And each side length is 3 centimeters. So 3 times 3. And it's a square. They've said it's a cube with a square base. So 3 times 3 is 9. So this equals 20 times 9. And 20 times 9 equals 180 grams. So the mass of a box with a square base and that has a side length of 3 centimeters has a mass of 180 grams.